Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your health benefits with Cigna step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary documents related to your health benefits with Cigna. Look for your policy number, any relevant identification documents, and previous correspondence from Cigna. Access the Cigna website by typing in the URL in your web browser. Once on the home page, locate and click on the Login button to access your account. If you already have an account, enter your username and password to log in. If you don't have an account, click on the Register option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and set up your login credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Benefits section of your account dashboard. Review the current details of your health benefits to identify any discrepancies. If you find errors or issues, take note of them for the next steps. Locate the Contact Us section on the Cigna website for customer service information. You can choose to call their customer service number or use the online chat feature for assistance. When speaking with a representative, clearly explain the issues you identified with your health benefits. Provide them with any necessary documentation or information to support your case. Take notes during the conversation to record any details discussed with the representative. Follow up on any promises made by the representative regarding corrections or updates. If your issue is not resolved satisfactorily, consider asking for a supervisor. Make sure to document all correspondence and phone calls for your records. After the issue has been addressed, log back into your Cigna account to verify that changes have been made. If you continue to encounter problems, explore the option of filing a formal complaint through Cigna's customer feedback process. Lastly, make it a habit to regularly review your health benefits information to ensure everything remains accurate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.